বৃষ্টি আসছে। It's going to rain. It's going to rain. It's going to rain. বৃষ্টি প্রায় এসে পড়েছে। This rain is about to come. This rain is about to come. This rain is about to come. ভাড়া কত হয়েছে? How much the fare is? How much the fare is? How much the fare is? থামো, আমি এখানে নামবো। Stop please. Let me get down here. Stop please. Let me get down here. Stop please. Let me get down here. আমার একটু তাড়া আছে। I am in a hurry. I am in a hurry. I am in a hurry. রাস্তার অবস্থা খুব খারাপ। The condition of the road is too bad. The condition of the road is too bad. The condition of the road is too bad. গাড়িটি একটু জোরে চালান। Please run the car little fast. Please run the car little fast. Please run the car little fast. আগে আমাকে নামতে দিন। Let me get down fast. Let me get down fast. Let me get down fast. আপনি কি বেড়াতে যাচ্ছেন? Are you going on a pleasure trip? Are you going on a pleasure trip? Are you going on a pleasure trip? পৌঁছতে কতক্ষণ সময় লাগবে? How long will it take to reach? How long will it take to reach? How long will it take to reach? এখান থেকে ঢাকা কত দূর? How far is Dhaka from here? How far is Dhaka from here? How far is Dhaka from here? মনে হচ্ছে আপনি কোথাও দূরে যাচ্ছেন। Seems you are going far. Seems you are going far. Seems you are going far. আপনি কি একটু সরে বসবেন? Would you mind moving a bit? Would you mind moving a bit? Would you mind moving a bit? না, এটা যথেষ্ট। No, it will be enough. No, it will be enough. No, it will be enough. আপনার আর কিছু চাই? Do you want anything else? Do you want anything else? Do you want anything else? ঠিক আছে, মিটারে চলুন। Okay, let's go on meter. Okay, let's go on meter. Okay, let's go on meter. কিন্তু রাস্তায় জ্যাম থাকলে যুক্তিতে যাওয়াই ভালো। But if there is a jam on the street, it is good to go agreement. But if there is a jam on the street, it is good to go agreement. But if there is a jam on the street, it is good to go agreement. সাধারণত মিটারে যাওয়াই ভালো। It's usually good on the meter. It's usually good on the meter. It's usually good on the meter. এটা বলা খুব কঠিন. It is a very difficult to say. It is a very difficult to say. It is a very difficult to say. কোনটা আমার পক্ষে ভালো হবে? Which would be better for me? Which would be better for me? Which would be better for me? আপনি কিভাবে যাবেন? মিটারে না চুক্তিতে? How would you go meter or contract? How would you go meter or contract? How would you go meter or contract? স্টেশনে যাবেন নাকি? Will you go to the station please? Will you go to the station please? Will you go to the station please? রেটটা আমার বড্ড বেশি মনে হচ্ছে. I think the rate is too much. I think the rate is too much. I think the rate is too much. এটা কি তোমাদের ধার্য মজুরি? It is your approved rate. It is your approved rate. It is your approved rate. 100 টাকা লাগবে. The charge will be 100 rupees. The charge will be 100 rupees. The charge will be 100 rupees. আরাম করে বসুন. Please have your seat and comfortable. Please have your seat and be comfortable. Please have your seat and be comfortable. দ্বিতীয় টেবিলটা খালি আছে? The second table is vacant. The second table is vacant. The second table is vacant. এই দিক দিয়ে আসুন. Come this way. Come this way. Come this way. ভিডিওটি ভালো লাগলে লাইক, কমেন্ট, শেয়ার করতে ভুলবেন না. এরকম আরও ভিডিও পেতে চ্যানেলটি সাবস্ক্রাইব করুন এবং বেল বাটনটি বাজিয়ে দিন. ধন্যবাদ.